Imagine this. You're home alone at night. Everything is quiet, too quiet. You're sitting in your room, maybe on your phone, maybe watching something. Then suddenly, you hear a sound, a small noise, like a footstep. You stop. You listen carefully. Silence. Maybe it was nothing. Maybe it was just your imagination. But then, you hear it again. A slow, heavy step coming from somewhere inside your house. At that moment, your heart starts beating faster. Your mind starts racing. And one terrifying thought appears. Someone is inside your house. What should you do? Pause. Take a deep breath. The first and most important rule is to stay calm. Panic will only make things worse. If you panic, you might make noise. You might run into danger. You need to think clearly. Stay still. Listen carefully. Try to understand where the sound is coming from. Is it upstairs? Is it near the door? Is it behind you? Every detail matters. Now, do not walk around randomly. Do not go searching blindly. If someone is really inside, they might hear you. Instead, stay where you are for a moment. Control your breathing. Lower your body. Make yourself less visible. Now, listen again. Do you hear movement, voices, objects moving? If you are sure someone is inside your house, you need to act smart. First, grab your phone. Silently. Do not make noise. Make sure your phone is on silent mode. No notifications, no sounds. Now, call emergency services. Do not shout. Speak quietly. Tell them your location. Tell them what you hear. Stay on the line if possible. If calling is not safe, send a message to someone you trust. Now, here's something important. Do not try to confront the person. Do not try to be a hero. This is dangerous. You don't know who they are. You don't know if they're armed. Your goal is simple. Stay safe. Now, find a safe place. If you are in a room, lock the door. Use anything to block it. A chair, a table, anything heavy. Turn off the lights. Stay in the dark. It makes it harder for someone to see you, but easier for you to hear them. Now, listen carefully again. If the person is moving, you need to stay completely silent. No talking, no sudden movements. Just wait. If you are not in a room, try to move slowly to a safer place. Avoid open spaces. Stay close to walls. Move quietly. Every step matters. Now, let's talk about something critical. If the person gets closer, you need to hide. Find a place where you cannot be easily seen. Behind furniture, inside a closet, under a bed if necessary. Stay still. Control your breathing. Do not make a sound. Now, what if you hear the door handle moving? What if they try to enter your room? This is where things get serious. Hold something near you, not to attack, but to protect yourself if needed. Keep your distance. Stay hidden as long as possible. Remember, your goal is not to fight. Your goal is to survive. Now, another important tip. If you have keys nearby or a car remote, you can trigger your car alarm from inside. This can create noise outside. It might scare the intruder or attract attention. Noise can be your advantage. Also, if you have lights you can control remotely, you can turn them on suddenly. This can confuse the person. Now, what if you realize it's not safe to stay? If you have a clear escape route and you are sure it's safe, leave immediately. Go outside, run to a neighbor, go to a well-lit area, call for help. But only do this if you are sure the path is clear. Do not run blindly. Now, let's talk about something people forget. Trust your instincts. If something feels wrong, it probably is. Do not ignore strange sounds. Do not assume everything is fine. Your instincts are there to protect you. Now, what if it turns out to be nothing? What if the sound was just something small? That's okay. It's always better to be careful than to take risks. Your safety comes first, always. Being in a situation like this is terrifying, but staying calm, thinking clearly, and acting smart can save your life. So remember, stay calm, stay quiet, call for help, do not confront. Hide if necessary. Escape only if it's safe. Because in moments like this, every decision matters.